My family and I went to Niagara Falls and we wanted to compare the US side versus the Canadian side. So we started off doing a couple of the walking trails, getting some views, enjoying the sun. And after watching several boats pass, we decided we should probably go check her out. And her name is Maid of the Mist. That's on the US side. So we took an elevator down and they moved pretty quickly and they gave us a poncho, which was nice. I did not expect that it would be so misty. Who would have thought? As you can see, absolutely amazing views. As we got closer, those ponchos came in handy. But we had a great time. Our boat was only half full on a super sunny day. We stayed on the bottom level, so plenty of space to walk around. The boat spins around at the end, so you really get 360 views. After the tour, we spent some time at the bottom of the waterfall. We make our way up top for a final view. And then we head on over to Canada.